Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Salem County WX here, and today is the RWT. I am also here with Boardman and Northwest Philly WX. And yeah, today we're gonna catch it. Let me just turn the radio on. It's 11:27, so they're gonna test any minute. Oh, I'll be right back. He said they're gonna test any minute. So this is my WXK97 tracker for the RWT today. Put this on. This is okay. Alright. So, I'm thinking of what radio to turn on. I do the HH.
With a temperature of 43.
Yeah. That's good. I'm gonna turn the HH on.
Were not available. Some conditions across southern New
Yep.
Jersey at 11 a.m. It was sunny.
Now we just wait.
It was 15 to 20.
3, 2, 1, go! It's 11:30. It's 11:30. Hey, I'm here. Salem County WX. There it goes. Yes.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast.
All right, WXK97 KIH.
Will vary at any
WNG. All right.
This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather warnings and warnings for the following counties and marine areas such as Philadelphia, Birmingham, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. In New Jersey, Bloomington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Huntington, Mercer, Monmouth.
iPhone just ran out of storage, so.
Here is the regional weather forecast. For the Philadelphia metropolitan area, wind advisory remains in effect from 9 a.m. this morning to 2 p.m. West of today, mostly sunny and breezy.
And the record was zero, which occurred in 1961.
15 to 20 miles per hour.
Up to 40 miles per hour, increasing to 50 miles per hour this afternoon.
Automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous
This is a weekly test of the No Weather Radio All Hazards warning device.
The station in Delaware, including Delaware Bay but not including Atlantic coastal waters. In New Jersey, Cumberland and Salem. And in Pennsylvania, Chester. This concludes the weekly test of No Weather Radio All Hazards. Station WXK97 in Sudlersville, Maryland. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Here is the
The one alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect. Tone will be activated for in Pennsylvania, Berks, Castor, and Lebanon. In Delaware, Newcastle, and in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, Station WNG 704 in Hibernia Park, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Here is the regional weather forecast.
Bam. My iPhone ran out of storage halfway through, so if you're wondering why the camera quality changed, it's because I'm recording on my iPad now. Alright, see ya. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time.